The second part of the build to boost has come in, my Cook's long tube headers. Let's open them up, discuss what you can expect for gains on a naturally aspirated car and a boosted car. One thing I like about the packaging is it's so well done for these headers. It's really easy to get all this stuff out. Now, here's something I want to talk about. Have you guys ever installed these on your own? Cameo to Leroy there. Have you guys ever installed headers on your own? I've heard they're a nightmare. I mean, I'm pretty mechanically inclined. Let's grab this bad boy out. Oh yeah. Hey, these are actually like smaller than I thought they'd be. I'm pretty mechanically inclined. I would do them on jack stands, which I know some people have done. Here is all the goodies here. Yep. And I'm just curious to know if it's doable. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've installed long tube headers, because I imagine it's the same process with other vehicles as well. So even if you've installed long tube headers that's not on a Mustang, let me know. But these are some good looking pieces, man. I tell you what, Cook's sells some high quality stuff. That's absolutely insane. Did we forget anything else? No, I don't think so. So what can you expect from Cook's long tube headers? Like, where the gains naturally aspirated. And what's interesting is there's not a lot of videos on this from my experience on YouTube. So I'll show you the one video that I know of and what the gains are.
446 on that one and a 386 torque. All right, so Adam just pointed something out. So actually the Dark Horse didn't put down for the first run 426. This is like stock numbers, what we're talking about. So 426 didn't count because of the spike we just noticed. So actually it was 420. And then what was it? What was the most one we got out of it? 453.
So yeah, 453 is the first run with the Cooks.
Okay. So that's 33. That's 33 horsepower with no tune.
Pretty solid. And then
so there you have it. About 30 wheel, 30, 40, let's say, give or take, wheel for just headers. No tune. No tune. Now, keep this in mind. A lot of the Whipple videos and stuff you're seeing with the Power have long tube headers on them. So subtract 30 to 40 rear wheel horsepower if you have the stock long tube headers on your car. The stock cats, the whole 9 yards. So right off the bat, you can tell what your car is going to make without long tube headers if you have a Whipple or a Roush. In this case, we're going to go with Roush. That's going to be the blower of our choice. And obviously, we got catless long tube headers for track use only, of course. And I'm excited to see what we're going to do here. It's going to sound really good. Again, let me know if the install is a nightmare. I heard one side's easier than the other. I think I might tackle it on my own. I'm not 100% sure, because it's like $1,000 to $1,200 to get these installed by a professional shop. But I could save myself the cussing and all that too. So I don't know. We'll have to see. It's just nuts and bolts at the end of the day with a wrench, right? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Have you put headers on your car? Do you have headers on your 2024 Mustang? Or whatever other car you got? Do you like them? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.